As a Salesforce admin, one of the things that is often asked of us is to help end users get into the org. Now, they could have forgotten their password, or they could have tried their login credentials too many times, and so the safety protocols lock them out. Now, in the user settings, I can reset a lot of passwords, or I can reset one user. So let's pretend that this user can't remember their password. So I come in here. If they got locked out of their account, an unlock button would pop up here. Now, if I just want to reset the password, I push that button and then I verify that, yeah, I really do want to reset this person's password because they can't get into their org. Then the user is going to get an email, and the email is going to give them a link, and then they're going to click on the link, and then they'll be able to enter a new password and then save it somewhere so that next time they forget their password, they can go to where they wrote it down. It's pretty easy to unlock a user and to reset passwords in Salesforce as an admin.